Hi. It's time to learn about the parts and rooms of a house. Parts. Roof. Wall. Door. Window. Room. Floor. Stairs. Again. Parts. Roof. Wall. Door. Window. Room. Floor. Stairs. Again. Parts. Room. Floor. Stairs. Roof. Wall. Door. Window. Practice. Room. 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 Roof. 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 Door. 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 Window. 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 Wall. 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 Floor. 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 Stairs. 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 Let's review. What part of the house is this? Stairs. What part of the house is this? Door. What part of the house is this? Wall. What part of the house is this? Room. What part of the house is this? Floor. What part of the house is this? Roof. What part of the house is this? Window. Let's review. Point to the floor. This. Point to the wall. This. Point to the stairs. This. Point to the window. This. Point to the roof. This. Point to the door. This. Last review. Parts. Room. Floor. Stairs. Roof. Wall. Door. Window. Next. rooms, bedroom, kitchen, dining room, living room, bathroom, garage, attic, basement. Again. Rooms, bedroom, kitchen, dining room, living room, bathroom, garage, attic, basement. Again. Rooms, basement, living room, kitchen, attic, bedroom, dining room, bathroom, garage. Practice. Bedroom, 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 kitchen, 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 dining room, dining room, dining room, living room, living room, living room, bathroom, 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 garage, 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 attic, 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 basement, basement, basement. Let's review. What room is this? Dining room. What room is this? Attic. What room is this? Living room. What room is this? Basement. What room is this? Bedroom. What room is this? Garage. What room is this? Kitchen. What room is this? Bathroom. Let's review. Which one is the living room? This. Which one is the garage? This. Which one is the dining room? This. Which one is the bathroom? This. Which one is the basement? This. Which one is the kitchen? This. Which one is the attic? This. Which one is the bedroom? This. Last review. Rooms. Basement. Living room. Kitchen. Attic. Bedroom. Dining room. Bathroom. Garage. Good job.
Bye!